Want to share photos faster? One UI 8 gives Quick Share a clean new look, full screen with send and receive tabs. No more hunting through menus. Quick Share now open full screen and shows send vs receives, making transfers instant. Step 1. Open Quick Share. Swipe down and tap Quick Share. Now you see two tabs, send and receive. Step 2. Send a file. Pick file, tap send. Your device searches nearby devices. Step 3. Accept on recipient. Recipients gets a clear accept screen. Tap accept and file transfer. Why it matters? It's all about speed. No more jumping between epicers. Great for creators and fast sharing. Like this quick video? Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.